Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is part 2 of the challenging question for CBSE grade 10 examination. So let's see question number 4. Two water taps can together fill a tank in 3 and 1 over 13 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 3 hours less than smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which tap of smaller diameter can separately fill the tank. Okay. So mm, So here the larger one takes 3 hours less than the smaller one. Okay, so let time taken by larger diameter tap be x, and then let time taken by the smaller diameter tap be because it takes 3 hours less, so here we will write that is x plus 3. Okay, and now the total time taken by tank to fill is total time taken by tank to fill is 3 and 1 over 13 hours, which is nothing but 40 over 13 hours. Okay, now so tank filled in 1 hour. One moment. Tank filled in 1 hour by larger diameter. So I'll just mention it by the larger tap. By the larger tap will be 1 over x, and tank filled in 1 hour by the smaller one. The smaller tap will be 1 over x plus 3, and tank filled in 1 hour is 1 over 40 upon 13, that is you can write it as 13 over 40. So we can say that 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 3, which will be equal to 13 over 40. Now we can simplify this. So you will have here 1 over x times x plus 3 upon x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 3 times x over x equals 13 upon 40, and then we can work on this. So this will be x plus 3 plus x over x square plus 3x, which is equal to 13 over 40. And now we can furthermore simplify this as 2x plus 3 over x square plus 3x, which is equal to 13 over 40. Now we can cross multiply, and 40 times we will have 2x plus 3, which is equal to 13 times x square plus 3x. So we have 80x plus 120 equals 13x square plus 39x. Yeah. Now we can simplify this further. Yeah. So now this is becoming a quadratic equation. 13x square plus 39x minus 80x minus 120, which is equal to 0. So you have here 13x square and 39 minus 80, that will give you minus 41 x minus 120, which is equal to 0. Okay, now we need to split this middle term. Hmm. Okay, so we have to look for the number pair for this one. uh, so what it will be? Hmm, 360. So, okay, so we have the number pair here is 24x, and another one will be 65x minus 120, which is 0. So you have x here common, so we will write x 13x plus 24, and here also we can have 13 common, so we will have, no, sorry, not 13, we will have 5 here as the common. So you have 5, and then we write here 13x minus, sorry, this has to be plus 24. So now we have it like this: 13x plus 24, and another one will be x minus 5 equals 0. So 13x plus 24 equals 0, and you have another one, x minus 5 equal to 0. So here x equals minus 24 over 13, and here we get x equals 5. Okay, now the, what was your question? See, time in which the tap of find the type in which tap of smaller diameter can separately fill the tank. So we have to write the time. Okay, now this one, time, here it is negative, so it is ruled out. So time cannot be negative, so we will not take this one, and we will take this. So your x is 5. Okay, so time taken by the larger one will be, larger one it is 5, and time taken by the smaller tap, it will be 5 plus 3 is equal to, because we had now x plus 3, so this is 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8 hours. I hope this is clear. Yeah, let's go to the next question. Yeah, a man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meter above water um, observes that the angle of elevation of top of a hill is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the base of the hill is 30 degree. Find the height of the hill. Okay, so man is standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meter above the water level. Okay. Mm, so first let us draw the diagram. So let me say that this is the, so let's say that this is 10 meter above the water level. This is the deck of the ship where the man is standing. A. Okay, and this is AB. Now what it says that he observes that the angle of elevation of top of a hill. Okay, so we can have a hill like this. Okay, so here C and this is E. So angle of elevation of top of the hill will be, we should draw like this, and this one will be 60 degrees. Okay, and the angle of depression of the base of the hill is 30 degree. So in that case, we have it here 30 degree. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Yeah. Now, okay, and here I will mention D. So this is 10 meter. Obviously, this is 10 meter. Your question is find the height of the hill. So your hill is CE, and C to D we know opposite side of this. So this is 10 meter. Okay, let me mark this as X. So we have to find this length, and we add this. That will be the height of the hill. Okay. So what is the given thing we have here? So let's write the information. Okay, and then let AB is equal to 10. Then CE is your hill. CE is the hill, and which length will be 10 meter plus X. So, and we know that CD is equal to, one moment, CD equal to AB. So we will have CD also 10 meter. Now consider triangle, because we have to look for this length. So we will take this triangle, and no, this I will take, I will this height I have to find. I will mark this as H. This distance I will take as X, because this is X, so this distance is also x here. A to D will also be x. Yeah, now we can work on it. So we will have now in triangle ADE. So we can write tan 60 degree, tan 60 equals, so tan is opposite upon adjacent, so you will have h over x, and we know that tan 60 degree is root 3. Root 3 equals h over x, and this will give you h is equal to root 3 x. So okay, yeah, we can also say h is equal to x is equal to h over root 3. Root 3, whichever is required, we will take that. Yeah. Now consider triangle ADC. Now we will take this one. So in triangle ADC, tan 30 degree. So that is our angle of depression equals, so opposite upon adjacent, that will be 10 over x, and tan 30 is nothing but 1 over root 3, which will give you 10 over x. Hence we have here x equals 10 root 3. Okay. Okay, so we are going to take this as 1 and this as 2. Here we got this x equals 10 root 3 and h equals 10 root 3. So both are the values of x, so we can equate it. H over 10 root 3 equals 10 root 3. So this we can say from 1 and 2. Yeah. So you will have here h is equal to 10 times root 3 square, which is nothing but 30. Yeah. So one moment. So we will write it as 30 meter. So you got the height as 30 meter. So we know the length CE equals CD plus DE. Therefore, CD is 10, which is already given, plus DE we got, that is 30. So the total height is 40 meter. That's it. So you got the answer as 40 meter. Yeah. Now let's move to the next question. Hmm. So, this is interesting. Now, the radius of the base, and height of a solid right circular cylinder are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, radius and height, they are in the ratio 2 is to 3. And it says that volume of the cylinder is 1617 centimeter cube. Okay, find the total surface area. So we need to find total surface area. So we know that total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r, and volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, so okay, so we have to find the total surface area. We must know the values of R and H, and this is your volume of cylinder. So let's see how we can find it with the given values. Here we have R is to H, that is 2 is to 3. So we can write it as R over H, which is 2 upon 3. That will give us the value of R as, from here we can take value of R as 2 over 3 times H. Okay, now, yeah, now we can substitute this value of R in volume, that is volume is equal to pi r square h, which is we can have 22 over 7, and r we will take from here, that is 2 over 3 h whole square into h, which is equal to 1617. Okay, here we have lot of calculations to do. Now you see, we will get here 22 over 7 times this will become 4 over 9 h square into h equals 1617. And now we have here 22 over 7 times 4 over 9 and h cube equals, okay, so we need to find cube root. So see, h cube equals 1617 1617 times 7 over 22 times 9 over 4. So you will have h equals to cube root of 1617 times 7 over 22 times 9 over 4. Okay, so to find the cube root, so first I will go with splitting all these numbers. So okay, I'll show you here. 1617. This 3 5s are 15, and then 3 3s 9, 3 9s 27. Okay, 4 5 6 7 7 7 7 are 49, 7 7 are 49, 7 and 11. Okay, so you can write 1617 as 3 times 7 times 7 times 11 uh, times 7 over 22 times 9 over 4. Okay, now 11, and we cross it here. So we can see that here 3 times 3 times 3. So this will be out 3, and then we have 7 times 11. Oh, we are doing cube root. Yeah, and here I forgot to write multiply. So this will be 7 times 7 times 7. So 7 will be here, and 8 is gone, and then 3 is already here, and then yeah. So 3 times 7 we have taken it out, and then here it is 2 times 4, that will 8, that will give us 8, and cube root of 8 is 2. Hence we got the height as 21 over 2. Okay, so now we have the height, so we can calculate this thing, area, radius, since height is equal to 21 over 2. Therefore radius equals is 2 over 3 times height, which will be 2 over 3 times 21 over 2. So all cancels, and we get radius is equal to 7. So now it is easier to calculate the total surface area. So your total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r. So we will have here 2 times 22 by 7, r is 7, and h is 21 over 2 plus r is 7. Okay, so here 7 7 cancels, and you have here 44, and this one will become 2 times 7 is 14, 14 over 2. So we have here uh, 14 plus 21 is 35 over 2. That will give us 22 times 350, sorry, 35, and we get here. So this will be 770 centimeter square. So your total surface area is 770 meters centimeter square. Yeah, so this is done. I hope, yeah, this is a bit lengthy, but I hope this is clear. All the steps are clear. Yeah. Now, this last one question. Huh. A canal is 300 centimeter wide and 120 centimeter deep. Okay. The water in the canal is flowing with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 20 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is desired? So when it says 8 centimeter of standing water is desired, 8 centimeter is nothing but here it refers to the height. Okay, then it is a canal is 300 centimeter wide. Okay, okay, and 120 centimeter deep. the water in the canal is flowing with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. Okay, so let's write all the quantities given. Okay, so you have the, so we have to be careful. Here it is given in centimeter, but here it is kilometer per hour, and here it is minutes. Okay, so width of canal is 300 centimeter. So since here it is given in kilometer, so I'll write here in meter as well. Now the depth of canal is, it says 120 centimeter, which is nothing but 1.2 meter. Okay, and it says that water speed of water is 20 kilometer per hour. Okay, what I will do, this 20 kilometer per hour, I will convert this into meter per hour. Okay, because here we have written all the values in meter. So this will become 20,000 meters per hour. Okay, so very clearly it says that distance covered by water in 1 hour, distance covered in 1 hour is 20,000 meter, because the speed is 20 kilometer per hour, so it will be 20,000 meter. Okay, so we should find, since we are looking for this in 20 minutes, how much it is going to irrigate. So distance covered by water in 20 minutes, covered in 20 minutes will be, so we can write it this way, 20 over 60 times, we can write here 20,000. Yeah, so this, and we get here 20,000 over 3 meters. Yeah, now we have to find the amount of water required to irrigate in 20 minutes. Okay, so as we get the volume of water, so amount of water required to irrigate in 20 minutes will be, okay, here we had 3 times, this is the width, this is the depth, 3 times, and the length will be your distance covered in 20 minutes, that is 20,000 meter, or 20,000 upon 3 meters. So you will have 3 times 1.2 times 20,000 over 3. So we can cancel this, and we get here 24,000 meter cube of water is required. Okay, now what was the question? Your question is, how much area will it irrigate in 20 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is required? Okay, so 8 centimeter of standing water is required. Okay, so it will be, area irrigated will be, since it is 8 centimeter, so we have to convert that into meter as well, so it will be 24,000 over 8 over 100, so that will be 24,000 into 100 over 8, and this will give you 3 so you will get here 300,000 meter square. So 300,000 meter square area will be irrigated. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Stay tuned for few more questions on this topic. Thank you.